सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम् ॐ Chapter 1, page number 15, shloka number 20. Ekam sarvagatam yomam bahirantaryatha ghate nityam nirantaram brahma सर्वभूतगणे तथा Ashtavakra, revealing the nature of Atma, when Janaka Maharaja asked how one can attain mukti. For that, Ashtavakra answering, he is concluding in this first chapter that Atma is the Sakshi, the witnesser, all pervading like a space. Atma and Anatma together manifesting. Whenever you see something, may you know that there are two entities. One is Atma entity, another is Anatma entity. Anatma entity is that which cannot exist separate from Atma entity. Atma is known as consciousness. Anatma is known as matter principle. This Anatma matter by itself is Jadam, inert. It is inert by itself, Paratantram. It cannot function by itself. It takes the support of Atma, the consciousness, all the time. So, consciousness, Atma, is that spirit, we call it. So, there are distinct features between Atma and Anatma. By knowing those distinct features of those two, you can attain moksha. By knowing the distinct features of Atma and Anatma, or spirit and matter, or you can say Chaitanyam, Atma and Maya. By knowing their nature distinctly, prathatvena, separately, then you can attain moksha. What are the distinct features he has given up to 20th shloka? Many he has given. Atma is ekaha. Atma is sarvagataha. Parallelly you can note the Anatma nature also. Atma is ekaha, only one entity. Anatma is anekaha, multitude. In multifarious forms it appears. Atma is sarvagataha, all pervading. All pervading, sarvagataha. Anatma is not all pervading, matter is not all pervading. Atma is swatantraha. Anatma is, the matter is paratantraha. Maya is paratantraha. డిపెండెంట్లీ ఎగ్జిస్టింగ్ అని అర్థం. ఆత్మ ఈజ్ చైతన్య స్వరూపం, సెన్షియంట్ ప్రిన్సిపల్. అనాత్మ ఈజ్ ఇన్సెన్షియంట్ ప్రిన్సిపల్, జడం. ఆత్మ ఈజ్ సెన్షియంట్ ప్రిన్సిపల్, దట్ ఈస్ ద మెయిన్ ప్రిన్సిపల్. కాన్షియస్నెస్ అన్న చైతన్యం అన్న సెన్షియంట్. మ్యాటర్ ఈజ్ ఇన్సెన్షియంట్, జడం. అండ్ ఆత్మ ఈజ్ నిర్వికారం, వితౌట్ చేంజ్, ఇట్ ఎగ్జిస్ట్ ఆల్ ద టైమ్. whereas anatma is always changing. So whatever is changing, you are seeing. What you have to understand, it is anatma. All these features are for what sake? Not only for writing. You write, you have to write, and you have to see that this is anatma, I have written in the book. Swamini said anatma is changing. That means this body is changing. Therefore this must be anatma. This is called application. Application is very important. Similarly, atma is nirgunaha, gunarahitaha, attributeless. No guna at all. Anatma, maya is sagunam. It has 3 gunas: sattva, rajas and tamas. Maya, if you say, it is trigunatmika maya asti. So sagunam, this is nirgunam. So like this, atma is nityaha, anatma is anityaha, eternal, infinite. Like that you can say number of differences. Ashtavakra enumerated so many. The lastly he is concluding, atma is all pervading, inside and outside. Atma is all pervading. One more point, atma you cannot see with your eyes. It is not a drishyam. It can never be seen. Aprameyaha, unobjectifiable. This is also very, very important. Aprameyaha means unobjectifiable. Prameya means that is which is available for pramanam is called prameyam. That which is available for pramanam, for instruments to see as an object, is called prameyam. Atma can never be seen by any instrument or pramanam as an object. Therefore it is unobjectifiable. Na prameyam aprameyaha. Atma is aprameyaha. What about anatma? Anatma is totally always opposite to atma. So prameyaha, it is available for objectification. It is available for objectification. So now body comes under atma or anatma. Anatma 100%. Because all these futures, whatever you have written, all correctly fit into this body-mind complex. Whatever you have written in the list of anatma, all exactly fit into body-mind complex. Therefore, Ashtavakra says, understand anatma as anatma, understand atma as atma. Don't mix up them, don't get confusion. This is called analysis. This is called discriminative knowledge, sorting out, scrutinizing. Not physically we are doing anything. I am not doing with anything hand. You see, this is anatma, this is atma. Or rendu dustbin vechi, and rendu box vechi. Can I show you this is atma, this is anatma? We are not doing anything now. Then how we can understand? Only by intellectually you grasp the essence. That is only is important here. Understanding is important. Whatever I receive, Atma nature, Anatma nature. Now let me see what are all I am seeing, changing, always depending upon something. It is Jadam. I have to look into that. What is Atma? What is Anatma? Immediately sort out pannu, tak. Question paper, once they give, immediately you read the question paper, no? Which questions we know, we do not know. And one glance you can get it. Like that, every day your notes you have to read and go outside and do your job. Every day, read your notes and start your interaction with the world. Then it is very nice. It's very nice. Or sit in meditation, mano, buddhi, ahankara, chittani, naham. Sometime you do nididhyasanam and start your work routine. No problem. This is called nididhyasana. What Ashtavakra says in this shloka, look into that. Yatha, first line, Yatha, ekam sarvagatam vyoma, just as one space, vyoma means space, one space, vyoma bahihi antaha ghate bhavati. Ghate means inside the pot and outside the pot. Ghataha ante vyomaha asti. Ghataha bhahye api vyomaha asti. Vyomaha ekavaha dvayam va na. Dvi asti va na. No two spaces. If you say two spaces, you have, I can say three spaces. Dayananda Swamiji says, if you say there are two spaces in pot there is one space, and there outside also another space, therefore two spaces. Now, I will tell you, not two spaces, there is no scarcity for two spaces, one more space also there. Kali enartha inge. Puriyarada? There is only one space. Like that. Example is nice. We are all very, very, intelligent in understanding the example. Come to the Arshtanta. Tatha. Second line. Tatha. Same manner. In the same manner. Tatha. Nityam nirantaram brahma sarvabhuta gane bhavati. Nityam. That which exists all the time. Nityam. Sadana. Nityam na eternal. Nirantaram, without any gap. Nirantaram means continuously. Certain things appears continuously for some time, afterwards they will go away, disappear. After long time, sometimes suddenly they disappear. That is why Ashtavakra says Nirantaram, Antaram Vina, without any gap. Antaram Vina Nirantaram. Sarva Bhuta Gane, Sarva Bhuta Gane, in all species, Brahma Bhavati. Brahma Chaitanyam, Atma Chaitanyam, Brahma Bhavati Eva. So, now what is our understanding by completing this shloka? Atma is all pervading inside the body and outside body. Since body is anatma, jadam, savikaram, paratantram, Such a body which has got birth and death, it is a matter principle, only chemicals, chemical bundle now. Bundle of chemicals. Bundle of chemicals made out of 5 elements. This body, inside the body like a pot, okay? In Drishtanta, pot. When Dashtanta, body is like a pot. So inside the pot, body pot, who is there? Brahma. Nityam Brahma, Nirantaram Brahma. Outside also is there. How it is there? In the form of easiness. In the form of easiness. அங்கே இங்கே தேடக்கூடாது திருப்பி. பிரம்மா காணுமே అని சொல்லக்கூடாது. Why? If you ask, you have not understood the aprameya word and artham. Suppose if I ask Brahman, I want to see and the aprameya word you have forgotten. Then how to appreciate that Brahma when I am not able to see which is inside the body, outside the body? In easiness I cannot see. That easiness you only. I am, when you are telling I am, that I am is called Atma Chaitanyam. Appreciate. You cannot see the electricity. Appreciate electricity through the bulb. Appreciate the electricity through the fan. Similarly, appreciate the Atma as the body functioning, as body doing all its interactions, Jadam, which is functioning. Appreciate that Atma Chaitanyam through the bodily actions. Learn that. Simple blinking also. Who is this? Eyes are able to blink, appreciate the consciousness. Smiling, appreciate the consciousness. Like a tube light. Appreciate the consciousness. Every moment appreciate the consciousness. Sarva bhuta gane, not in one species or two. Sarva bhuta gane, including daughter-in-law, mother-in-law, sister-in-law, brother-in-law, problematic neighbor. அங்கேதான் பார்க்கணும். When you are love near dear Atma, nanna very nice. Shastra says, where you have that problem, dukkha caused, there you see this Atma. That is what Janaka, this is the nature of Atma. It is all pervading. All pervading, all pervading, in and out it is pervading, outside. What is that? I said, Atma, the conscious is that because of which the body is surviving. The death of the body is not the death of the consciousness. The consciousness continues even after the fall of the body. But that consciousness which survives after the fall of the body cannot be transactable, cannot be appreciable. You cannot appreciate it. Without bulb fan, how can you appreciate electricity? You cannot appreciate the electricity. If you go to that shop where they sell so many bulbs, lights, all dome lights, so many are there. Very nice to see that. You like those bulbs, all of them, without electricity or with electricity? Aha. Vedantam undach. With electricity. Similarly, we are all like bulbs. Without consciousness, useless bulbs. But that consciousness in the body, when it is alive, appreciate it, understand it, claim it, own up. And last point is what? You want to give vote, you want to vote for electricity or bulb? First preference. First preference is what for electricity. None of us vote for bulb. அங்கே சமத்தா இருக்கோமே, இங்கே சமத்தா இருக்க மாட்டோம். Here also you must be intelligent enough. So therefore that electricity like Atma consciousness is not different from me. I am that. Janaka got knowledge. Janaka understood. Janaka Maharaja understood. Having understood, now he is telling, what an excellent Guru you are, Ashtavakra. Wonder. This is a great wonder. Now he is going to give a reply. Janaka's experience, expression of that joy, the ananda, because of that understanding. Now I take all of you as Janaka. I also can take or not. You have to tell. So I have to feel Janaka Uvacha and Swamini students Uvacha and Eduthukanum. So you will not disappoint me. Now let us enter into second chapter, first shloka. Janaka Uvacha Aho Niranjana Shantah Bodhoham Prakruteh Parah Etavantamaham Kalam Mohenaiva Vidambitah. Janaka Uvacha. After the teaching is over, first phase of teaching. Now Janaka gives the feedback. What is my understanding? He says, it is clear for me. No doubt further. I am very, very clear. I am convinced with your teaching. I have understood. What he says? Janaka Uvacha. Janaka says, Aho. First he is giving an exclamation mark. Aho, wonderstruck. It is a great atyadbhutam ityartha. You say, na? Aha. Anna. Adi madri, in Atma Vidya we have to say that Vidyaranya in Panchadashi, he tells, Aho Shastram, Aho Shastram, Aho Guru, he says like that. Like that, Janaka says, Aho, wah, what a wonder, Atyadbhutam. What is that wonder? Prakritehe paraha aham. Now I have understood. Until today, he says, until today, etavantam kalam, until today, before this 20 slokas teaching, etavanta kalam, from Janmas and Janmas until now, before these 20 slokas also, I was under the impression of that body and mind had taken as myself. I was under the impression of the body is myself, mind is myself, I have taken. Etavanta kalam. Until now. Later what happened? Now I am able to understand aham prakritehe paraha. Because of your teaching, I have grasped that I am prakritehe means maya anartham. Matter, maya, paraha means beyond. I am that consciousness who transcend the matter Prakriti. Prakritehe paraha. Not only that, aham niranjanaha. Niranjanaha means blemishless, spotless, or no limitation at all. Nothing can limit me. I am free from all types of doshas. Niranjanaha means dosha rahitaha. Dosha rahitaha or pure I am an artha. Aham shantaha. My nature I have understood now. Until you are teaching, I was so restless, ashantaha. Now I am shantaha. Calm, quiet, relaxed. After coming to Ashtavakra class, I have become so calm and quiet. Anxiety gone. No anxiety, no tension. Only I have developed attention. The tension has gone, attention has come. In tension, no attention. Therefore, I am shantaha. Not only that, bodhaha. Aham bodhaha. Aham niranjanaha. Aham shantaha. Aham bodhaha. Na consciousness. I have come to know that I am that Atma Chaitanyam, not body-mind complex. Bodhaha na Chaitanyam, consciousness. Buddha, to know. Buddha means to know. Bodha means jnana. Jnana means consciousness. Now, whenever I use the word, teacher use the word consciousness. Spelling e tagararu. Spelling proper edutha mudiyuma? Consciousness. Pronunciation tagararu. Spelling tagararu. Who is that consciousness? Simple to understand. I am conscious of. I am conscious of. Therefore, I am consciousness. Who is conscious of something is consciousness. How simple Vedanta. But we manage not to understand. Not you, people. People manage not to understand. However much teacher teach comfortably, some people, not you, some people manage not to understand. How simple to understand this? Bodhaha aham. I am consciousness. Why? Because I am conscious of everything. Who can be conscious of everything? Consciousness only can be conscious of. Who is that consciousness? Since I am conscious of everything, that consciousness must be Saddame Varle. I is myself. I am. Idu vida easy sollave mudiyadu. In the teacher I can give guarantee card. Bodhaha word you understand here now. Bodhaha means jnanam. Jnanam means knowledge. Knowledge means conscious. I am conscious of. Are you conscious of this clip or not? You are conscious of this clip means you know the clip. Consciousness and knowledge both are not different. When you are conscious of the clip, you can put in other way, I know the clip. I know the clip is equal to I am conscious of the clip. The person who is conscious of the clip must be consciousness. Since I am conscious of that clip, therefore I must be what? Consciousness. Consciousness இப்படி பார்த்துட்டு இருந்தேன்னா எப்போ புரியும்? எந்த செஞ்சுரிக்கு புரிய போகிறது நமக்கு? இதுதான் way of understanding. I hope you are all clear 100%. Yes? Very good. That is called Janaka says Aham Bodhaha. Etavanta kalam, what was my condition? Before these 20 slokas, from Janmas, I have under the Mohena eva vidambitaha. Mohena, I was deluded totally. Vidambitaha, deceived, cheated, duped by. Translated dupe and put it up. Dupe and cinema very dupe and double. That's correct. I am deceived by an artham. Vidang dhatu. 10u. Vidambitaha means PP, past participle. Vidambitaha. Vidambayati, vidambayate. Vidambitaha means deceived. Mocked. I was mocked by this delusion. This Maya ridiculed at me, mocked at me, deceived me. Until today, etavanta kalam. Adi ottukanam. Etavanta kalam mohena tena mohena vidambitaha. I was under the impression that I am body. Ahankara, mamakara was so predominant. Now, Manobuddhi ahankara chittani naham. This is a chatta madri dress. Now I have understood how great this knowledge, wonderful knowledge. Next shloka. Number 2. Now he is explaining that consciousness, bodhaha, niranjanaha, that consciousness I am. What is my status now? Aham prakashaha. I am the illuminator of everything, he is going to say. Yatha prakashayamekaha dehamenam tatha jagat ato mama jagat sarvam athava na cha kinchana. Further, Janaka Maharaja continues his understanding, his clarity about that self. Yatha, just as Jagat Yatha Ekaha, you have to take aham. Aham you have to supply. Aham, I. Yatha you keep it aside. First you take aham Jagat Ekaha Enam Deham Prakashayami. First you take first half lo Yatha aham deham prakashayami. Just as I illumine this body, enam deham, this body, prakashayami means illumine. Ekaha aham, one atma principle, myself, I illumine this body. Illumine this body means I bless the body with sentiency. Prakashahana, don't think Atma is giving 1000-watt voltage to the body, so that body becomes like a petrol box light madri. Unnume prakashame kaanume anna. You are able to function. I makes the body, insentient body, sentient. That is the meaning. Prakashayami means I bless the body, I lend the sentiency. I means which I, the consciousness. The pure consciousness I lend the sentiency to this body. Enam deham prakashayami. Illumine the body means I give sentiency to the body. I lend sentiency to the body. Where from I take sentiency? to lend the sentiency to the body. How I got sentiency? The consciousness. Swayam Prakashamayam. My nature is consciousness. I need not borrow from somebody else. Electricity lends electricity to the bulb. Where from? Electricity has its own power, its capacity. It need not borrow from somewhere. Similarly, I, the Atma, I am ever sentient principle. I can make the things sentient. Deham enam deham prakashayami. Not only that, tatha jagat api prakashayami. I illumine the world also. You should not take literally. I illumine the world. Swamini, every day electricity we are lacking 1 hour. That time you come and give electricity. Prakashayami. Kudukalame. Indukku power cut problem. Okay. 2 hours, 3 hours power cut when it is there. Call Atma, you come on, give Prakashayami and chulri. Come on, illumine my house. Tadha Jagatana, don't ask like that. Tadha Jagat means I give existence. I lend existence. Satta Spurti Pradata Aham. Tadha Jagat Prakashayami means the entire Nama Rupa Prapancha borrow easiness from me. Because I am Satyam Jnanam Anantam Brahma. The Sat clip is. The clip is I am Jagat Prakashayami. Jagat means Nama Rupa Prapancha. Jagat means what? Nama Rupa Prapancha. The clip comes under Jagat or not? Clip comes under Jagat. Janaka Maharaja says, I illumine the Jagat. That means what? How you understand this word? Tell me. Aham Jagat Prakashayami means very Jagat. Jagat is nothing but Nama Rupa. So, Nama Rupam Aham Prakashayami. Next stage. Aham Jagat Prakashayami is the statement of Janaka Maharaja. Jagat means what? Next question. Jagat means nothing but all objects which are all having Nama Rupa. It's called Jagat. Entire Nama Rupa Prapancha. Then how this consciousness I illumine the Nama Rupa na? Can that clip will become midukku madri light varuma anna prakashayami anna udane light varanume anna no anga prakashayami anna satta I give satta clip is that easiness I gives how I know there is a clip. Clip do not know I am a clip. Clip cannot say I am a clip, I am on the Swamini's desk. Every day Swamini use the clip. Clip ku theriyuma? I am the consciousness principle, lend the easiness to the clip. Therefore, I give that existence to the clip. That is called Aham Jagat Prakashayami. Every object, its existence is before that, what must be there? And a subject must be there. Every object is, its existence is proved by the subject. And every object's existence is proved, very important statement, every object's existence is proved by the subject knower. When I say I know the clip means clip is existing there on the desk. I am giving existence to the clip. To say clip is the object. To know that object clip, there must be one subject. So, object presupposes the subject. Who is the subject? I am. Who am I? Consciousness. Therefore, what do you say? I am conscious of clip. Once you are conscious of clip, what do you say? There is a clip. So, object presupposes the subject. Who is the subject? Knower. I know the clip. The knower knows the clip. Clip comes under known. Clips comes under known object. Can clip know me? Can clip knows me? Swamini, you are there and clip can talk. This is object. Because here there is no sukshma sariram, therefore it cannot be conscious of. It is only sat is manifesting, chit is not manifesting. Whereas in this body, chit also manifesting. Therefore you say, I am, I exist, I know. Clip cannot say I am because it is not conscious of. Even though it is not conscious of. Consciousness is there. Why? Satyeva chit. But that chit consciousness to manifest, what clip is lacking? Mind. That mind illamal irukkiradhu nannada. Is it good or bad now? Tell me. Clip ku mind kadiyadu. Adnala the chit not manifesting. So clip is life is better, our life is better. Swamini, clip life is better, Swamini. There are people say like this. Clip life is better, Swamini. Edhukku enna veetla ellarum thitra. Enna path appadella solla koodadhu. You are fortunate. Therefore, I the consciousness Jagat Prakashayami. Clip in all things you can take in the place of clip. Okay, I am conscious of this, I am conscious of that, I am conscious of something, everything, Namarupa. Jagat Prakashayami. Without you, the subject, any object, its presence, it can be evident? No. That's why Janaka Maharaja says, Aho. Can you say Aho or not now? அதுக்கு தான் அஹோன்னு ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணிட்டார் அவர். ரெஸ்பான்ஸ் ஷுட் பி, எக்ஸ்பிரஷன் ஷுட் பி வெரி வெரி இன்டாக்ட்னா. அது இல்லைன்னா நமக்கு புரியலன்னு அர்த்தம். ஓகே. ததா யதா ஏனம் தேகம் பிரகாஷயாமி ஏகஹ ஆத்மா ததா ஜகத் அப்படி பிரகாஷயாமி. நெக்ஸ்ட் லைன். அத்தஹ therefore sarvam jagat mama. The entire jagat is mine. Sarvam jagat mama. It is mine. My book, my desk, my pen, my house, my possession, my family, my body, my mind. Why? Sarvagam mama. It's mine. What, Swamini? Mine is only my house, no? Their house is not mine. Their possessions are not mine. As a body, mind, all of them cannot be yours. From Anatma standpoint, you say as body, mind, ahankara, others' house is not yours house. Others' car is not yours car. Others' possessions are not your possession. But ekaha atma drishtya, everything is mine. What Lord Krishna said? Masthani sarva bhutani nachamasthani bharata. Mastani sarva bhutani. All are in me, but I am not in them. Mastani sarva bhutani. I am in every nama rupa. In the form of easiness. In sentient beings, in the form of chit also I am manifesting. But they are not in me. All nama rupas are temporary savikaram. Clay can say all pots are in me. Eh? Clay can say all earthenwares are in me. But I am not, they are not in me, I am in them. They are not in me. Masthani sarva bhutani nachamasthanina. Inga oru very very important point. They are all in me. I am not in them. Na vyavaharically, paramarthically, you have to understand. I am in them, they are in me. How you have to understand? Really, the Nama Rupas are temporary. Really, they are not existing. They are not really exist. Nachamasthani and anartham. Really, they are not there. They are seemingly existing in me. Clip may come and go. Pot may come and go. Nachamasthani. என்ன வந்து போயின்னு இருக்கு. Mastani sarva bhutanana, they are all in me, the easiness. In the easiness they are there. But one thing comes and goes. நல்ல மெடிடேஷன் பண்ணணும் இது மேலே. இல்லைன்னா கிளிப்பு பாட்டு எடுத்துகிட்டு போகக்கூடாது. ஓகே, யூ ஹாவ் டு அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட். ஸோ அத்தः மம ஜகத் சர்வம் ஜகத் மம அथवा ந ச கிஞ்சன. You can take two ways. Everything is mine. Nothing is not mine. No, everything is mine. And the easiness is my easiness. Easiness I am lending. Nacha kinchana. Nama Rupa is not mine. Nama Rupa is not mine. Why? They are Savikaram, Sagunam. They are only seeming. They are only seeming. What is that seeming, Swamini? Pot is seemingly existent or not? Pot is really existent or seemingly existent? இன்னமும் ஒரு மாதிரி இருக்கு. Seemingly existent னா எப்படின்னா, there is no pot other than clay. That is why pot is seemingly existent, not really existent. Similarly, all Nama Rupa Prapancha is seemingly existent, including your, why your? Including our body, including our mind. Bodies are many, minds are many, names and forms are many. Atma is one. Who is that Atma? I am. Aham Atma, Ahankaras many, Atma Aham is one. Therefore, I Aham in many ahankaras. I appear in the form of many ahankaras, really or seemingly. One mirror. Okay. Otherwise 10 mirrors. You are standing in front of 10 mirrors. 10 faces you see. Okay. Clear? Like that, Aham is one, appearing in many bodies like mirrors. When I say, you have to take OC or RC, original consciousness. Or list in the book, tell you Atma, Atma, Atma. Atma, Anatma. What you will take? I am in all. What you take? Atma, Anatma. Atma. I am in all bodies, but all bodies are not in me. Bodies are different. That is the meaning. Next. Ashariramaho vishvam. Sorry. Sashariramaho vishvam. Parityajya mayadhuna. Kutaschit kaushaladeva. Paramatma vilokhyate. So, I, the subject, I am having independent existence. The object is having dependent existence. Clip object has got existence because of me. I, the subject, give existence to the clip. I say clip is. But when I say I, the clip is, I, the subject, am I independently existing or dependently existing? Somebody has to come and say, you exist. Swamini, you exist and allow Chollanama. Somebody has to say, come and say, you are sitting in the class, you are exist and Chollanama. You are self-evident. So you are independent. You are independently existing and you, which you? Atma or Anatma? Atma. So Atma, you, independently existing, the knower, the subject consciousness, independently existing, only one consciousness. All ahankaras are dependently existing. So whatever is independently existing is mithya. What is independently existing is satyam. What is dependently existing is mithya. Priyarada? Body is. I know my body. Body comes under what? Object. I know. I am conscious of body. You are conscious of body or not? Kildina theriyum. I am conscious of pain. I am conscious of my hand. I am conscious of. That means what I am conscious of must be different from me. Mahavakya. I am conscious of my body. Clip and sonna nanna tala attinadu. Ippo koncham advanced apare. I am conscious of my body. Body, I, the consciousness of what? I am conscious of what? Body. What I am conscious of must come under what? Object. What I am conscious of is different from me or not? Clip is different from me. Similarly, body, I am conscious of my body. I am conscious of my clip. I am conscious of my body. Then body comes under what? Object. Body comes under object. Who is conscious of is the subject. Saying outside objects very easy. Anybody can say. This is called analysis. I am conscious of my body. I am conscious of my legs, my hands. Therefore, what I am conscious of comes under object. Therefore, body is object. Who is the conscious of body must be subject. Therefore, who is conscious of body? I am. Therefore, I am consciousness. Body is object. Objectified by me, the subject. So, I am not body. I am not the body. Then who am I? The one who is conscious of the body is the consciousness I am. I am conscious of the body. Body is object. What about mind? I am conscious of my mind, moody mind, moving mind, vacillating mind, disturbing mind, frustrating mind, angry mind. I am conscious of. Who is the knower of angry mind? I am conscious of the angry mind. I am conscious of calm mind. So what I am conscious of must be different from me. So I know my mind. Morning nannada irundha Swamini mind. Ippoda tagarar pandrathu. That means I am conscious of the mind. Morning mind, afternoon mind, evening mind. Enna savikaram. And ஒரு பாயிண்ட் வச்சுக்கலாம். இப்போ அனாத்மால சவிகாரம் అని சொல்லிட்டோம். ఇప్పుడు மைண்ட் இஸ் சவிகாரம் ஆர் நிர்விகாரம். மாடிஃபிகேஷன்ஸ் இருக்கா இல்லையா? அது கேட்கணுமா சுவாமினி? சேஞ்சிங் ஆல் த டைம் சேஞ்சிங். ஸோ சேஞ்சிங் மைண்ட் comes under Anatma. I, the consciousness, Atma, I am the conscious of that mind. Therefore, I am not the mind. What I am conscious of comes under object. Who is conscious of is comes under subject. Therefore, this mind is object. Many people wear specs. They forget maximum time they are looking through the specs. Maximum students are wearing specs and they forget they are wearing specs. How you are seeing? Anna? I am seeing through my eyes and cholluva. You are not seeing through your eyes. You are seeing through the spectacles. Because it is close to us, That is why we forget. Similarly, body, mind, spectacle. Through that we are seeing the world. Understand? Two spectacles. One spectacle inga pottitom. Body, mind, spectacle moolama I, the consciousness, am seeing the world. Appadi sollanum. Look into this sloka. Sashariram aho, he is still in wonder. Wonder. Aho, what a knowledge is this? Adhuna. After your teaching, hey Ashtavakra. After your teaching or not? Or before irukka in the knowledge? இப்போதானே கொஞ்சம் சிரிக்கிறோம். சிரிப்பே வரதி சுவாமி மூஞ்சிலோ முன்னாடி சிரிப்பே கிடையாது. ஏன்னா ஒரே ஆனந்தம், குஷின்னா. Aho adhuna. After listening to your 20 slokas of teaching, hey Ashtavakra, what? Sashariram Vishwam Parityajya. Now you know why I have taken body, mind also. Sashariram Vishwamla clip, pot, mic, fan, ella over. Vishwam Parityajya. Nama Parityajya Panditam. What about body? That's the body bhatti vada pesina. Vishwam Sashariram. Along with the body Parityajya. Enga Parityajya? Inga thane ukkarandhirukkenna. Intellectually, I am able to say I am not the body. Ippodan neenga da sonnel. Tappichikave mudiyadu. Just now you said I am not the body. Body comes under object. I am the knower of the body. Body is known by me. Therefore, body is object. I am the witnesser, knower, experiencer of the mind. Therefore, mind is also comes under object. So, body, mind also comes under Jagat. Vishwam Sashariram, along with the body also. Vishwam Jagat Sashariram Parityajya Maya. Now, renounced by me, Anna, I am able to disidentify with the body mind complex. 5 anatmas. Swamiji says 5 anatmas. Body, mind, possessions, professions, family. Possession, profession, family are little away from us. Body, mind are little close spectacle, like body, mind is close anatma. Possession, profession, family is a little remote anatma. Remoto, proximato, but what is same? Anatma only. Profession, possession, family, remote anatma. Body, mind is proximate. Proximate and near anatma. Both are what? Anatma. So, Sashariram Vishwam Parityajya Maya. By me, it is renounced, dropped. Dropped and don't think physically, intellectually. Now you have dropped physically or intellectually? I am not this body. Mano buddhi ahankara chittani naham, not lip movement now. It is a fact. Therefore, what? Kutaschit kaushala deva, somehow by some skill of my teacher, Kaushalat, Some teacher, one teacher, guru, you, the Ashtavakra, because of you, and Shishya also must be having some stuff to understand. Otherwise, however much guru is great, no use. So, Shishya also must be great, guru also must be great. Otherwise, it is not possible. Kushalat anna. Acharyat padamadatte padam swamedhaya. இல்லையா அது மாதிரி கௌஷலாத் குதஸ்சித் somehow some skill of my teacher and mine also I am able to manage paramatma vilokyate kaushalaat eva paramatma vilokyate paramatma atma swarupam is understood by me, grasped by me, understood by me or grasped by me after your teaching in artham. So association with the body is ahankara, association with the world is family, is mamakara. Now world comes under anatma, body comes under anatma, mind comes under anatma. Therefore I am not body, mind, world, all come under anatma. How many atmas are there? One atma. మరి எனக்கு ఆత్మ జ్ఞానం வந்தா அங்கே ஆத்ம జ్ఞானம் வரணுமே అన్న அந்த అహంకారం பிடிச்சுண்டு இருக்கு அந்த శరీరంలో that jiva is holding on to ahankara. I have dissociated with ahankara, that's all. Jnani dissociate with ahankara, ajnani attached with ahankara. That is the difference. Ashtavakra Gita students dissociate with body, mind, family, possession, profession. Non-Ashtavakra studied students associate with ahankara, body, mind, family, possession, profession. And the attachment, detachment lo da irukka ulla mokshame. Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.